Some people look forward to an absolutely delicious turkey, others just look forward to perfect homemade gravy that they will just pour on almost everything. So you've made your delicious turkey, you have gorgeous, very flavorful drippings left. Why don't you make homemade gravy? It is simply the best and very quick to make. This is my pan drippings, and if you want to make gravy, this is perfect for the gravy, and that's what I'm going to use it for. You can also just strain it and save it and use it as your broth or your stock. Your turkey on Thanksgiving Day is just going to be absolutely delicious. Way better with that homemade gravy than store-bought. Store-bought is very convenient, but trust me, making homemade gravy pretty much takes about 5 minutes and you're done. It smells so good. You can only imagine what this is going to bring to your gravy. This you can just put in your stew or just discard. It's totally up to you. So I have 2 cups of broth here, and that is what I'm going to use to make my gravy. I'm just going to thin it out with just a cup of water, just so it's not too concentrated. And also to make sure there's enough gravy for everyone. I'm going to melt 3 tablespoons of butter in a preheated pot. So now that my butter is all dissolved, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of flour. This is all-purpose flour right in here. Quickly stir. And now I'm going to gradually add in my broth. So pretty much this is all it takes with your gravy. You're just going to let this slowly come to thicken up a little bit when it starts boiling. And you know your gravy is ready. Very simple, but absolutely delicious. And there you have it. Gravy that is very light, very little flour in there. So a lot of people are going to approve of this, and of course the flavor is huge. Store-bought gravy is not going to cut it. Using homemade broth is just perfect. Store-bought broth may be good, but it's just not going to have that much flavor. Just transfer it into your gravy boats and bring it to the table. Let everybody just slather it on everything. Happy Thanksgiving, dearest friends and family. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.